Michigan 1980 back again. We're going to try to do one more quick video here.
Necronomicon is coming. Mass murderer, strangler, wing splitter, mangler, blood sucking vampire, dark throat is king of fire. Swing off your ceiling fan and jump like an ape, and stomp on your head until it pops like a grape.
And now you flatline cause I shut your face 9 times when you see bright white lies. Then you feel your heart stop, bro, good as day as any to die. But I don't give a motherfucking fuck, bye.
Sitting on a tree branch like a koa, off your every move, dropping down on motherfuckers' backs and twist their heads like screws. Fuck your electric chair, I don't care. Bring it on, bitch. Come on, crack your leg out my head. I'll fry you an omelet. Deep up in the woods naked, I do my fire dance around the pit. I hop with my skull drawers and voodoo chants.
Take your DNA, can I never take shape, it'll only mutate. See the fetus with a microphone, 3 arms, 2 brains, and only one leg.
Shoot me, come on, blow a hole in my lung. I'll lick out the hole when I swallow my tongue.
In the world where hating niggas the key, you can tell the judge.
Just keep in mind though that I'm only running 750 watts RMS to the speaker. When I was running a little over 2,000K or 2K RMS, my brother was actually worried that I was going to shatter my windshield because it was flexing so hard. But anyway, I promised you guys some videos, and here's a couple. As soon as I'm thinking about actually going with the new Boss Onyx 5500. It's supposed to be 2006 compliant. As soon as I get that hooked up, I'll be putting new videos up. But anybody that doesn't know this subwoofer, these fucking subwoofers hammer. I never had a subwoofer in my life that hammered as hard as this one. And that piece of paper you see vibrates even, blows through there even a lot more with when I had that other amplifier on here. But I don't know what else to say other than that. These subs kick ass. Weighs like 80 frickin' pounds. I don't like having to cart the thing around. But alright, 1980 Michigan out. Peace, people.